We heard about a development at the convention center, and this morning one of our cameras went in. What you're about to see is pure desperation on the parts of hundreds of
disasters can highlight the best in people. It can also bring out the worst. Now in New Orleans and other places, looters are running free.
Even with all of our television lights set up here, 3 gentlemen just climbed into the broken window of this mini-mart here.
Hurricane coming, hurricane coming, everybody get the fuck. Let's remember what happened last time they left us down there to die. Ooh, not me, I ain't going back, never get a second chance to leave my ass on the flat. I'm broke, last man, I'm about to rip this shit. Look, it's August 210, it's been 5 years, maybe 6. I don't know, I'm zoned out, this Hurricane Katrina shit I carried on my back like every day shit. Every time I take a piss, when I take a bath, I think about that nasty ass water I was floating in. Yeah, I got my lube on, tell me what's wrong with that. Side by side with the police, I should have hit that nigga in that neck, fucking with the Mac. Everybody already broken, guess what? Cousin about to go down Old Canal Street, hitting all the hip hop stores, fucking even ran in the beauty mall store. I ain't lying, look, the hurricane coming, everybody get the fuck, look, I'm about to get out.
Ain't got a nigga flooded in the waller feet. Yeah, I'm in the water and the shit was like 8 feet. They got dead body floating around. Yeah, they gonna float. So what I'ma do? I'ma go break in the stove. Yeah, I'm way on Canal and Brook Brothers. See the fucking thundering.
The hurricane coming, everybody get the fuck. Look, I'm about to get out.
We just need some help out here. It is so pitiful and shame that all these people out of here, they have over 3,000 people out of here with no home, no shelter. What are they gonna do?
Frame, yeah, nigga different every year. Yeah. You know we never scared of ya. Nigga won't come, yeah, our Berettas up. Huh?
Say what?
The hurricane coming, yeah. You can hear the wind humming.
I know you're here.
Yeah, you see the fucking thundering.
The hurricane coming, everybody get the fuck. Look, I'm about to get out. Letting no 50 at the cocksucking choppers.
I know you said the blast, motherfucking chopper last, man. I'm
right here. I'm gonna represent for August 29th, man. This shit was out of sight, man. Let all them people got their head, body floating everywhere. I saw the food store, I saw a lady drowned, all fucked up. Ass twisted all around her neck, man. It's so twisted, it got me fucked up. The last man trying to get that motherfucking Social Security, cause it got me fucked up all in the brain, bro. I ain't lying, I see some shit that got some little churn, get raped, all that shit, motherfucking sex offenders on the loose. Man, what happened with them goddamn troops? Only there when the sunlight, but at night you don't see nobody. Is every man for themselves, they fucked over us, bro. I ain't lying, red nigga, where you was, bro? You ain't gave us no motherfucking help, but when everything was dry, you wanna walk around giving niggas that shit hug. Fuck you, you bald head scrub. The last man I'm gonna represent for all my evacuees. Where y'all at? Please stand up with me. Hurricane Katrina, it's trying to come back. I ain't lying, dog. I ain't never coming back. I'm in that H-Town, take back in the motherfucking lake. New water swag, motherfucking boot in my mouth when I come down the block. Motherfucker don't like, and I represent for that hard head ENT. Wild Young Mafia, where you at? Get the motherfucking guns up. Disrespect us, call us motherfucking refugees. Boy, I will get outside my body. Slammed up your bitch ass, motherfucking DDT. Bitch, don't play with me. The last man, I just rock this bitch. Look out, the hurricane's coming. Everybody get the fuck. I ain't lying, bro. I ain't trying to get stuck underwater. I can't swim. Hell no, I ain't going back. I ain't going back, dog. Look out, man, the hurricane coming, last man, look. I ain't never going back. I ain't about to give him a second chance. I ain't having it. Wish they be my dog black. Where he at? Come on. Look, all my evacuees, please rock with me. Get your hands up, put your legs. Look, shouting out to everybody in D-Town. From that Hindu all the way to Baton Rouge. Nigga acting like that, like you know. Motherfucker, last man just stole a show. I'm putting it out for the Hurricane Katrina. Evacuees while my wife got you pulled that up. I know you see her, bro. John nigga still posted up. Insane town. Come on.
This for all my Hurricane Katrina vaccines. Stand up.
Look, I want y'all to be on the lookout for that world premiere. Hurricanes coming, you hear me? Brand new track, brand new video, you hear me? I'm representing for the whole head Katrina evacuees, you know what I'm saying? Where all my evacuees at, you know what I'm saying? Put your fists up, you hear me? Put that fist in the air. We survivors, you hear me? They can't fuck with us. No shape, form, or fashion, you hear me? They ain't gonna fuck with us bicycle riding or walking, you know what I'm saying? The last man stand, I'm holding it for my nigga Squally, Bricks, you hear me? My nigga Kevin O, the J Blaze, Motorbike Jar, my nigga Real Side D, you hear me? My wife, you hear me? You know what I'm saying? Mrs. Hardini and T. We out here. You know what I'm saying? For my evacuees, y'all fuck with me. Ride with a nigga, you heard me? Give me some feedback on this video, a comment, you heard me? Like this shit on Facebook, fuck with me. Last man standing, hard hitting and T. Hurricane Katrina, evacuees, get y'all black fists up, you heard me? Yo! I'm out.